Make a great choice today with the 2019 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.